In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create 301 redirects in Webflow. If you've changed a page URL, removed a page, or reorganized your site structure, setting up a 301 redirect helps send visitors and search engines from the old page to the new one automatically. This is an important part of maintaining a smooth user experience and preserving SEO value when URLs change. To get started, log into your Webflow dashboard. Once you're inside your account, find the project where you want to create the redirect. Then click the gear icon to open that project's settings. This is where Webflow gives you access to configuration options that affect the live site, including redirects. After you're in the project settings area, look over to the left sidebar menu and click on the Publishing tab. This section contains options related to domains, publishing behavior, and other settings tied to how your site goes live. Next, scroll all the way down to the bottom of the page until you find the 301 Redirect section. This is the area where you can define old paths and tell Webflow where those paths should now point. If you don't see it right away, just keep scrolling since it's located lower on the page. Now you can begin entering the redirect details. In the old path field, enter the relative path of the old URL. This means you should only add the part that comes after your domain name, not the full website address. For example, you would use something like a page path rather than the complete URL. Keeping it as a relative path ensures Webflow handles it correctly within your site. In the redirect to path field, enter the new internal slug where you want that old path to send visitors. Again, this should be the destination path inside your Webflow site. Make sure the path is accurate since even a small typo can cause the redirect to fail or send people to the wrong location. Once both fields are filled in, click Add Redirect Path. This saves the redirect inside the project settings. However, the redirect will not be live yet until you publish the site. To make it active, click the Publish button for your site and publish to your selected domain. After publishing, the redirect should begin working, so anyone visiting the old URL is automatically sent to the new page. As a final tip, double-check both paths before publishing to avoid errors and make sure your redirect behaves exactly as expected. That's how to create 301 redirects in Webflow.